So the tip for today is be right on day one or get out. Now, there are different ways that you could look at this. Now, if you are a day trader or maybe an overnight trader that likes keeping a stock for maybe another day overnight, for you, your tip of the day would be don't stick on to a losing trade overnight. So if the trade doesn't go into your favor, exit and take another trade when it's the right time to do so. Now, if you are probably a little longer term trader, what I would say your tip for the day would be take the trade, and if it doesn't go into your favor for maybe a couple days, or if it goes down a certain percentage below your stop loss, get out and take another trade and get back into the market when it's a favorable time to do so. So by doing so, you then create a system-based approach where you're not kind of driven by emotions. Like your emotions are not telling you when to buy and how to sell, but you have a system that says, okay, if it's 2-3 days that I'm not getting a gain, I'm going to go out, come back into the market. Or if I'm like 2% down or 3% down or 5% down in my trade, I'm getting out of the market and I'll take another trade when it's the right time too. So with that, I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for another video. And if you like this, just give me a thumbs up, because this will help it reach more people that would benefit from this video as well. So stay tuned and see you in another video.